Before we move on any further, news just coming in. Sources say Russian President Vladimir Putin is likely to visit India in the first week of December. This visit to New Delhi will see the Russian president holding talks with the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. A number of agreements are also expected to be signed during this visit. Now, he's expected to visit India for an annual summit on most probably the 6th of December, sometime in the first week of December. And for more on this, we're now being joined by our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal. Siddhant, thank you for joining us. What can you tell us about this development?
Well, this is a significant development in terms of the visit of the Russian President Vladimir Putin. We know that he's coming here for the annual India-Russia summit. Last year, this summit could not happen because of the COVID crisis. But this year, the focus is on a number of pacts and also making sure that there can be increased partnership in areas like defense. We know that his visit coincides with the Russians delivering the S-400 air defense unit. The first units are expected to reach India later this year. That is, of course, the month of December. We know that this summit, the alternate summit mechanism, India has only with two countries, one with Russia and one with Japan. So last time the Russian president visited India was in the year 2018, and interestingly, it was the year in which the pact, the contract for the S-400 was signed. We also know that this is the second visit of the Russian president this year abroad. We know that first visit was to Geneva for the summit with the US President Joe Biden. So this shows that how the Russians are in a sense making sure that despite the COVID crisis, they are visiting here in India. And of course, next year the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to go to Russia like he did in the year 2019 when he visited Vladivostok and of course announced a line of credit for Russia's eastern part for investment that will spur growth there, which of course Russians are very keen on. But largely this visit also shows that how Delhi is opening up essentially for high-level visits. We know that in last 2 years there haven't been many visits, only one visit by the Denmark's leadership to Delhi just few weeks ago, and now the Russian president is expected to visit only for just 1 day, approximately 7 to 8 hours, in which he will hold talks with the Indian Prime Minister. There aren't many programs, essentially because of the COVID crisis. Of course, leaders are not keen for many programs as well. But also remember, the fact that he's coming here in Delhi is a message in itself.
Right, Siddhant, absolutely you're right. The last time Russian president visited India was back in 2018. Now, talking about the number of agreements that are to be signed, do we have any clarity on what these would entail?
Well, this is still in process in terms of number of agreements because this is a long-standing discussion. There is focus when it comes to naval pacts between the Indian and the Russian Navy, essentially the Indian and the Russian defense ministries. But also when it comes to how there can be more conversation on COVID crisis, because naturally COVID crisis will be top of the discussion between the two countries. Remember, the Russian vaccine Sputnik is being manufactured here in India, and the Russians reached out to India during the second wave of the deadly COVID crisis in the month of April last year. India sent HCQ to Russia. So this is part of the conversation. Health has now become an essential part of every conversation, and of course it will be part of the conversation when the Russian president visits India.
Right, Siddhant, thank you so much for joining us with all those inputs. We will of course track this visit very closely. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.